Okay, good morning class. Okay, before we formally start to our class, Mr. Abdul Malik, please let me lead the prayer, please. Amen. Good morning class. I'm Kasmera Abad, your English teacher for today. So before we formally start our class, let me check the attendance first. Okay, as I call your name, say present if you're here, and if someone is not here, say absent on their behalf. Okay, Abu, present. Abbas, present. Abdul Malik, present. Montero, where is Montero? Okay, absent. Zapanta, present. So, Abdullah, present. Bernardo, where is Bernardo? Okay, absent. Kasan, present. Zoren, okay, present. So, since somebody is absent here, they... Okay, Montero, since you are late today and I accept your excuse for today and I hope it won't happen next time, okay? Okay, let's move to our review. So, can anyone answer me what is our previous topic last week? Okay, Mr. Zoren. Okay, what is our topic last week? Okay, it's all about noun. So, can someone discuss me what is noun? Yes, Miss. Yes, Miss. Okay. Okay, very good. Okay, as of now, I will group you into 3 groups. Understand, class? So, the people here in the front will be the group 1, where the people at the back will be the group 3, and the people in the middle will be the group 2. So, I will give you a copies, a poem entitled what? Okay, you will just go to your group mates and settle yourselves, please. Okay, group 1, this will be yours. Group 2, where is your representative? Okay, here. The group 3, okay, Mr. Abdul Malik here. So just copy and interpret the poem formally and understand. You will work as a group. So that poem is from a literary piece from India by Preet Nambiar. So group with your group mates, and then after that I will check your task, and that will be recorded. Okay, I don't want to hear someone's telling me that someone is not participating with their groups. I'm telling you, class, that is not a good idea. Okay, class, have you interpreted the poem properly? Okay, class, listen. So our topic for today is all about a dragonfly that committed suicide, a literary piece from India by Preet Nambiar. So, have you understand the poem properly? Okay, as I explain this later, I will call someone to answer the question I will through. Okay. So, what was the poem all about? It is all about the dragonfly that committed suicide. Okay, very good, Mr. Montero. So, have you understand the poem properly? Okay. So, what happened to the dragonfly? Yes, he committed suicide, but then the narrator in the poem realized something in life. In what was that? Yes, Miss Zoren. Very good. That's it. So, class, you interpret the poem properly, and because of that, I will give you a plus points later. Okay, are we clear? Okay, very good. Do you have any questions regarding to our poem? Okay, no one. So, since no one's asking, then I will ask a question. That's good, right? Okay, since I will ask a question, let's everybody prepare. Okay, Mr. Zoren. Okay, please stand up. So, how does the poem affect your perspective in life? Yes. Okay, that's good. Very good. Okay, Mr. Zapanta here. Yes. Okay, what is the tone of the poem? Okay, please stand up. Okay, can somebody help Mr. Zapanta? Okay, Miss Zoren, stand up, please. Okay, that's good. Is Mr. Zapanta? Please be seated. Okay, Mr. Abbas, Yes, people at the back, silent please. Okay. Silent class. Okay, Miss Abbas, yes. Okay, please stand up. People at the back, noisy. Okay. Miss Abbas, stand up. Okay, according to the poem, can we consider the poem is a tragic one? Yes, and why not? Okay. Very good. Yes, that's it. Very good. Okay, according to Mr. Abbas, yes, what he said earlier is a very good one. Yes, we can consider the poem as a tragic one. Why? Yes, Miss Abbas, do you have an additional answer? Oh, okay, that's it. We can consider the poem as a tragic one because why? The dragonfly committed suicide, not exactly as a suicide one, but since the dragonfly also an animal, we can consider as a tragic one because he died at the end of the day. And the persona at the poem emphasize how significant our life is. Okay, that's it. Very good. Okay, let us move on to our topic which talks about the adjectives. Okay, Mr. Zapanda, please lead the adjectives. Okay, adjectives is describe or give information about noun or pronouns. So, it is a word that customizes and intensifies noun or a pronoun. It gives us an additional information about the noun or a pronoun that refers to. It gives us a functional information about the noun. Okay, our topic is just so simple. It talks about adjectives. So, okay, Mr. Zapanta, can you give an example of an adjectives? Okay, as you can see, there are some examples here on board. Okay, the big dog chased the car. So, what is the adjective here? The adjective here is the big because the big identify the noun which is the dog. So, the adjective here is the big. Okay, got it, class. Okay, very good. So, let's do another one. Marga wore a beautiful hat. Okay, do you think wore is the adjective here? Yes, Miss Abbas. Okay. Very good. That's it. Okay, Miss Abbas. Okay, please stand up. Okay, can you identify where is the adjectives in the sentence? Okay, the colorful balloon floated over the treetop. Okay, where is the adjectives? Okay, very good. Okay, Miss Abbas earlier said that the adjectives in the sentence here is the colorful. Why is colorful? Okay, Mr. Zapanta, do you have an additional? Yes. We can say that the adjective here is the colorful because it identifies the noun which is the balloon. So the noun here is the balloon because it is, when we say noun, it is a name of a person, things, or animals. So the balloon here is the noun and the adjectives in the sentence is the colorful. Did you get, class? Okay, very good. Okay, let's proceed to the last example. Miss Montero, please read it. Okay. Okay, Mr. Zapanta, identify where is the adjectives in the sentence here. Okay, what is it? Okay, very good. The gray, because it identifies the noun which is dog. So, since everyone is listening and got the lesson properly, okay, everyone, are you listening? Okay. I will ask and you will give me an answer. That's it. Okay. Miss Abbas, can you give me an example of an adjectives? Okay, very good. You use Mr. Zapanta as an example. What is it? Mr. Zapanta is handsome. Okay, class, did you agree that Mr. Zapanta is handsome? Okay, very good. Okay, Mr. Zapanta, did you agree that you're handsome? Very good. Okay, Mr. Zapanta, give me an example of an adjectives. What is it? Okay, you use Miss Abbas as an example. Class, what is Mr. Zapata used for Miss Abbas? Beautiful. Okay, Mr. Zapata used Miss Abbas as an example which is, according to him, Miss Abbas is beautiful. Okay, class, did you agree that Miss Abbas is beautiful? Very good. Okay. So, Mr. Montero, do you have an additional examples of an adjectives? Okay, stand up please. Okay. Yes, very good. Good. We can say that Mr. Montero used the adjectives properly in the sentence. What was he said, Miss Doreen at the back? Please listen. Okay, Miss Doreen, what was Mr. Montero said earlier? Okay, Mr. Montero said that he is tall. Okay, very good. We can say that the tall is the adjective in a sentence because he used the tall as a describe to his, that he is totally a tall. Very good. Since classes, everyone is listening. Very good. Okay, I will ask a questions, class. Are you all ready? Okay, Miss Abbas, why are you laughing with your classmates? Okay, please, class, be quiet. Okay, people at the back. Are you listening? Okay, very good. Listen attentively. I will ask the questions and please answer me because this will be recorded. Okay? Okay, class. Since everyone is understood the topic properly, people at the back, are you listening? Mr. Japanta, Montero. Okay, very good. Okay, class, I will ask questions. Okay. So, in a sentence, take note, okay? In a sentence, so the question is, can we use one or two more than adjectives in a noun or pronoun? Okay, Mr. Japanta. Okay, please stand up. Yes. Miss Montero. Okay, later I will ask you questions. Okay, Mr. Japanta. Okay, what is your answer on that question? Okay. No? Okay, yes. We can use one or two adjectives in a sentence. Just look at the example, class. A yellow butterfly is sitting on the red rose. So we can identify that there is two adjectives in a sentence which describes the noun properly. The yellow is the adjective here in use to describe the noun which is the butterfly. While the other one is the red rose. It used the red as an adjective in use to describe the noun which is the rose. Yes. We can see it clearly that we can use one or two adjectives in a sentence. Very good, Mr. Zapanta. Yes, Ms. Montero? Okay, very good. Okay, very good. So, here's the example number 2. The beautiful princess is wearing a purple gown. Okay, Miss Abbas, can you give me the adjectives here? Okay, it's very simple, class, that the beautiful princess is wearing a purple gown. So, the adjectives here is the beautiful because, what? It used to describe the noun which is the princess hair. And also the purple, we could consider that as an adjective because what? It describes the gown properly, that the gown is the noun, the purple as an adjective. Okay, very good. Okay. Okay, I will clear it to our question number 1. Okay, let's move to the question number 2, which it will discuss about the poem that we read earlier. Okay, so, Mr. Abdul Malik, stand up please. Okay, very good. Okay, stand up. Okay, the question here is, does the poem earlier give you a realization in life? Okay, Mr. Abdul Malik. Okay. Okay, very good. Okay, Mr. Abu, do you have an additional answer? Okay. Yes, very good. Okay. Yes, Miss Doreen? Okay, everyone is active today. Why is it? Because it is a graded recitation, right? Okay, very good. Very good, class. Yes, Miss Abdullah? Okay. Listen. Okay. Do not be chit-chat with your classmates, okay? Okay, class, do you have any questions regarding to our topic? Okay, since everything is clear, let us proceed to our board work activity. Okay, as you can see, there is a question here. So, volunteer, anyone who will answer these questions here? Okay. Okay, Mr. Okay, Miss Abbas, you will answer this. How about the number 2? Who will be the answer? Okay, Mr. Abdul Malik. Okay, very good. And number 3? Yes, anyone? Mr. Montero, you don't want to answer? Okay. Okay, how about you, Mr. Abu? Okay, the number 3 will be Mr. Abu who will answer this. And then number 4? Mr. Yes, Miss Doreen, you will answer the number 4. Very good. Okay, very good. You all already answered the questions all about. Okay, who answered the number 1 questions? Yes, is that right? Yes, your answer is not. Why? Because I am Maria Baltazar. Okay, class. Can you identify where is the adjectives in a sentence? Okay, since you okay, we can say that there is no adjectives in a sentence in the question number 1. I am Maria Baltazar. Okay. Maria Baltazar is a noun. Why? Because it is a name right? But then there is no adjectives here that this used to describe Maria Baltazar. So if we can say that I am Maria Baltazar, that is a noun. Okay. So can we add something that we can use as an adjective? Okay, Miss Joren. Okay. Yes, very good. Okay, Miss Doris said that we can use the Miss Beautiful. Okay, beautiful here. Okay. I am Maria Baltazar. Okay. No, the sentence is not correct. Okay, can we add? Yes, Mr. Yes, Mr. Abdul Malik said that I am Maria Baltazar and I am beautiful. Very good. Montero said that we can add an adjective as the I am Maria Baltazar and I am beautiful. Are you all agree? Yes, that is already an adjective. But since the sentence here is not adjective, this will be a not. Okay, okay. Number 2. Yesterday, I wore a yellow dress. Yes, the one who answered this is correct. Yes, this is correct because yesterday I wore a yellow dress. The yellow here is the adjective and it's used to describe the noun, which is the dress. Very good. You understand, class? Very good. Okay, the number 3. I was chased by the dog earlier. Okay, there is a question here. Who answered? Adjectives. Class, can we consider that the sentence here is an adjective? Not? Okay, this is wrong. The sentence here is not an adjective. Why? Okay, listen properly. I was chased by the dog earlier. The noun here is the dog. And can you see there is an adjective here? No, because there is nothing that used to describe the dog. The dog earlier, we cannot consider that as an adjective because there is no proper adjectives to use to describe what is the dog. Okay, he was chased by the dog earlier. I was chased by the dog earlier. The question is, what kind of dog? Is that just a small dog or a puppy dog? Okay, that is not an adjective. Okay, that is not an adjective. Very good. This is wrong. Okay, the number 4. Okay. When I joined the pageant, they said that I am gorgeous. Okay, very good. Who answered this? This is absolutely correct. They say that I am gorgeous. Okay, they say that I am gorgeous. So it means it used the adjectives, the word gorgeous. They say that she's gorgeous. Okay, the one who answered this is very good. This is adjective because the word gorgeous is absolutely an adjective. It used to describe that she is gorgeous. Okay, because she joined the pageant, they say that she's gorgeous. Okay, very good. Okay. Since everyone understand the topic very well, and just only one who answered the question not correct only. Okay, very good. Since everyone understand the topic very well, get one whole sheet of paper and answer the questions on the board. Yes, anyone? People at the back, why are you so noisy? Okay. Get one whole sheet of paper and answer the questions here. Okay. Get one whole sheet of paper and answer. I will wait until your class will be finished. Very good. Okay, class, I don't want to see someone's copying your classmates' answer. That is prohibited. That will be automatically deducted points. Okay. Class silence, please. Mind your own papers. Okay. Okay, once I caught you cheating, I will collect your papers immediately. Okay, Miss Japanta, what are you doing? Miss Doren, your head. Okay, very good. That's it. Mr. Abdul Malik, mind your papers. Very good. Okay. Yes, is there any problem there? read the question properly and you will understand the question by itself. Okay. Very good. Class, be quiet. What time is it, class? Already? Okay. What is your next subject after this? Mathematics. Okay. Who is your teacher will be? Oh, that's great. Okay, just answer your paper and your class. Okay, class, you only have 2 minutes left to answer your papers. Okay. Yes. Mr. Montero. Miss Jordan. Okay, fix the papers. Okay, very good. That's it. Okay, class. It's already time. Pass your paper. Okay, finish or not finish, pass your paper in the front. Okay, at the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Since you already passed your paper here. Okay, who is that? Okay, class, since we don't have a time here. Okay, just take note the assignment, please. Okay, class, for the assignment to be passed by tomorrow, research about the features of speech and give and provide an example for each. The answer will be encoded by, yes, in a short bond paper. Okay, class, listen. Our assignment is research about the features of speech and provide an example for each. That would be, okay, everybody stand up, please. Okay, goodbye and thank you, class. Thank you for today and thank you for listening. Goodbye, class.